Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2011 Harley Davidson XR1200X Sportster. This is the flat track inspired V-twin 1200. Beautiful condition. This is the one you've been waiting for. It's got an awesome looking metallic white paint scheme, only 9,028 miles, piggyback shocks, megaphone exhaust. You're gonna love how that sounds. Come on by, make your dreams come true on this flat track inspired XR1200X for just $88.88. We have financing, we have extended service contracts. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean, used bikes in stock. Man, that thing sounds good. Oh, yeah. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.